Yes, welcome to Knowledge Base. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as you continue to get more knowledge about different things. And in this case, we're looking at scheduling posts on our Facebook pages. Most of you do not know that you can easily schedule a post in a page, in a group. We're looking at scheduling posts in groups. How many of you know that you can schedule posts in a group? So in this case, I am going to choose this group, Team Bravo Shoes, and I'm going to show you how I can schedule my posts for the next week or 2 or 3, and then I sleep off and I let my pen go out. So in this case, this is a group. I'll pick the content I want to schedule, and this is the content I want to schedule. So as you know that you can either schedule or you can either post one post in different groups. So when you want to post in different groups, you come here and click add groups. I am able to use the 3 groups. They give you 3 groups, and I will choose 3 groups, and I will be able to send out this post on the 3 groups. If you look at this, the 3 groups, and I will put here whatever I want to write. Maybe I would put up an emoji, any emoji that I would want, and then I will be able to make sure that I go ahead and click here to post my group. So in this case, we're looking at how do we schedule. Remember, you cannot schedule in groups. You cannot schedule in 3 groups. You can only schedule 1 group. So I have to uncheck these other groups and remain with 1 group. So when you uncheck the 3 groups, you're able to get this icon of the schedule. So click here on schedule, and then we come here, we say 6:30 a.m. I can put September 24th, I put 28th, I can put 30th, I put 1st October, and I would say 6:30 p.m. or 6 o'clock, whatever I would choose to, okay? So in this case, I've chosen 6 p.m. on the 1st of October, okay? Then here, click on save. So when I click on save, remember, it shows that my post was scheduled or is scheduled for October 1st at 6 p.m. I'll go ahead here and click on schedule. After clicking on schedule, maybe I've forgotten something. It will show here view post. I'll click on view post. I will come down here to get this very post that I've scheduled in the next 1 week. So either I can choose to publish it now or I reschedule. Instead of putting it on 1st October, I was supposed to put it on 28th September at the same time, 6 p.m., or I was supposed to choose 7 p.m., or I was supposed to choose 8 p.m. on 28th of October, of September. Or maybe I wanted to put it in on October 5th, and I would also come here and save. So you see, I changed the schedule, and I'm able to play with my either publish it now or reschedule it now later. When that time comes, this post I've scheduled will be able to go out. Some of you don't have time, but you can always have like 30 minutes and put up different or schedule different posts at any one given time, and they're good to go. So when in the times when you're very busy, your posts will be going out and you're able to manage your Facebook page or your Facebook group. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you have to learn on how to schedule posts in your Facebook groups. Should you have any questions, should you have any challenge, please let me know, write down in my comments, and I'll be able to take you through or something else, or I'll be able to redo a post talking about what you've decided, what you've asked me about. So thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Knowledge, as we continue to give you more knowledge about Facebook. Thank you. And